Well, gentlemen, the wait is over. Congratulations, men, as you are now of one over 15,000 very proud and distinguished Explorer alumni. I cannot remember a class having to overcome more obstacles or cope with more uncertainty. I am humbled by your resilience, as your spirit would not be broken. You stood strong and you made the necessary sacrifices to graduate. As you were faced with a historic and unprecedented national pandemic that would abruptly end all senior events and leave you in remote learning for the remainder of the school year. You did not waver. You did not make excuses. You accepted the things you could not change, and you remained steadfast and strong in your faith. Even today, you continue to be affected by change. In fact, the only thing that remains constant in life is change. So my advice to you is embrace it. Lead like a true explorer and have the courage to influence others. Live your life with honor, evaluate your integrity, and make sure that your actions remain consistent with your words. Accept responsibility and always hold yourself accountable for your actions. Work hard, follow your dreams, and achieve greatness. Only you can define your future. Be agents of justice and service. Live simply and morally, respecting all of life and fighting all social inequalities and injustices. You are now part of the Columbus Brotherhood, part of a culture that promotes inclusion, where everyone is supported and everyone is valued. I will forever be proud of your efforts and inspired by your strength. I urge you to be the spirit of hope and be the light in the darkness. Continue to represent us well, gentlemen. Remember, you always have a home at Christopher Columbus High School. Good luck, God bless you, and adelante.